Every outdoor space holds hidden potential. What may look simple and plain today can tomorrow become a vibrant garden full of life and beauty. Let's explore how this yard was reimagined, feature by feature. The first feature is a dedicated play area for children. A sturdy swing set and climbing structure, complete with a colorful canopy, brings fun and safety together. This ensures that kids have their own corner of the garden, a space to laugh, play, and grow. At the heart of the garden stands a stunning water fountain. Its flowing sound adds peace and calm, while its elegant shape makes it the central highlight of the design. The fountain not only decorates the yard, but also creates a relaxing atmosphere for everyone to enjoy. For cozy evenings, a fire pit zone was added. Surrounded by comfortable seating, it's the perfect spot to gather with family and friends. Whether it's roasting marshmallows, telling stories, or just warming up on a chilly night, this corner of the garden brings people together. On the other side, a stylish pergola creates a shaded retreat. Designed for dining or simply relaxing, this space blends comfort with elegance. The open wooden roof allows light to filter through, while offering protection and privacy for outdoor living. Clean stone pathways guide you through the garden, bordered by carefully arranged flowers and plants. These lines of color not only define the garden structure, but also invite you to explore every corner of the yard. Practicality meets beauty with raised garden beds. These provide space to grow vegetables, herbs, and seasonal plants, turning the garden into both a source of relaxation and fresh homegrown food. It's a sustainable touch that connects nature with everyday life. From a plain, empty yard to a multifunctional paradise, this transformation shows how thoughtful design can bring beauty, joy, and life into every outdoor space. Thanks for watching and stepping into the world of plantscape rendering, where outdoor visions become vivid reality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. And for more stunning landscape designs and renderings,